Here's how to add transitions in Veed.io. It's quite easy and simple to do, but make sure to watch the full video so you don't miss out on any important steps. First of all, log into your Veed.io account. The next window will look like this. The first step is to import video in the Veed, so click on Upload a File button. Then your files will appear and then upload your required video. So you can see here our video is uploading. And we can start working on it after uploading the video. So our video is uploaded successfully. The next step is to add transitions in video. So to do that, click on Transition button, which is on the left side of the screen. Next you can see Transitions box. When you scroll down, you will find here some transitions presets. To add this transition in the video, first you have to cut the video into two parts. So to do that, click on your required video layer. And then select the video part where you want to add transition. After this, click on Split button. Here you will see that your video is cut into two parts. So the next step is to come back to the Transitions box and then click on your selected transition and drag it on the cut of your video. And then we can add another transition here. So next, cut the video into two parts from here, and then this time drag this transition on the video. Then play the video. You will find that transitions are added to your video. To do that, make sure you have maximum speed of the internet. So in this way you can add transitions in Veed.io.